Hello you sweet God candy, welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I would like to briefly share with you some of the profound wisdom inspired by the teachings of Neville Goddard, a master of manifestation and the power of imagination. In this short lecture, we will delve into the essence of Neville Goddard's teachings and explore the transformative potential within each one of us. Now, let us embark on this journey of self-discovery together. Neville Goddard, a man of great insight and spiritual understanding, emphasized the importance of understanding our imaginative faculties and the impact they have on our reality. He believed that within the depths of our minds lies a creative force, waiting to be harnessed and directed towards the manifestation of our desires. According to Goddard, imagination is not mere daydreaming or wishful thinking. It is the very essence of creation itself. It is through our imagination that we can shape our reality, molding it into the image of our desires. The power of imagination knows no bounds. It is the bridge between the inner world of thoughts and beliefs and the outer world of manifestation. Neville is often quoted as describing the process one goes through from imagining a desire as a wish fulfilled to its ultimate manifestation as a bridge of incidents. Goddard taught us that we are not victims of circumstance but creators of our reality. Our thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions play a pivotal role in shaping the experiences we attract. If we wish to manifest our desires, we must first cultivate a deep sense of knowing within ourselves that what we seek is not only possible but already exists. One of the key concepts in Neville Goddard's philosophy is the law of assumption. This law suggests that our assumptions become the foundation of our reality. What we assume to be true, whether consciously or unconsciously, will inevitably manifest in our lives. Therefore, it is crucial that we consciously choose our assumptions, aligning them with the reality we wish to create. To strengthen our imaginative faculties, Goddard encourages us to engage in the practice of visualization. Visualization is the art of creating vivid mental images of our desires as already fulfilled. By immersing ourselves in the sensory experience of our desires, we activate the creative power of our imagination and impress upon our subconscious mind the reality we wish to manifest. Neville calls the faculty of human imagination the mind's eye. In our journey of self-mastery, it is important to be mindful of the language we use. Neville Goddard highlighted the significance of conscious language in shaping our beliefs and assumptions. By carefully selecting our words, we can reinforce positive and empowering beliefs, creating a fertile ground for the manifestation of our desires. But imagination alone is not enough. Goddard emphasized the importance of taking inspired action. We must be willing to act on a hunch and align our actions with our desires. Opportunities will present themselves along the way, and it is our responsibility to seize them and act upon them with unwavering faith and determination. Now, let us engage in a brief exercise to deepen our connection with our imagination and manifesting abilities. Please find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, allow yourself to enter a state of deep relaxation. Now, I want you to visualize a desire that you wish to manifest. See it in your mind's eye, as vividly as possible. Imagine the colors, shapes, and textures associated with your desire. Hear the sounds that accompany it. Feel the sensations in your body as if you have already attained it. Allow the emotions of joy, gratitude, and fulfillment to wash over you. Hold this visualization in your mind for a few moments, immersing yourself fully in the experience. Know that what you have imagined is not a distant dream but a tangible reality that is unfolding in perfect alignment with your deepest intentions. As we conclude this exercise, bring your awareness back to the present moment. Know that the power of your imagination is a force to be reckoned with. You have the ability to shape your reality and manifest your desires. Trust in the process and have faith in your own creative power. As we navigate through life, we are encouraged to cultivate a mindset of gratitude and appreciation. Neville Goddard emphasized the transformative power of gratitude in attracting abundance. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for the progress you have made, the blessings in your life, and the unfolding manifestation of your desires. Embrace an attitude of appreciation, and watch as the universe responds with even greater blessings. In the words of Neville Goddard, change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people, they are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself and they will confirm the change. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. Your imagination is the key that unlocks the doors to infinite possibilities. Nurture it, expand it, and let it guide you on the path of manifesting your desires. In conclusion, Neville Goddard's teachings offer profound insights into the power of imagination and manifestation. By understanding and applying these principles, we can transform our lives and create a reality that aligns with our deepest desires. Embrace the law of assumption, engage in the practice of visualization, choose your words consciously, take inspired action, and cultivate an attitude of gratitude. Neville was also a great scholar and an avid reader of both the Old and New Testaments. His lectures are full of stories from the Bible that he interprets as lessons of how to personally create one's own reality. Neville learned from his teacher, Abdullah, who was an Ethiopian Jew that lived in New York at the time Neville started learning about the powerful messages of the Bible. Abdullah's and Neville's interpretation of the scriptures asserts that the characters, places and events that are spoken of in the Bible are in fact symbols, metaphors and allegories of the process of manifestation. I highly recommend listening to Neville's lectures and reading his profound books. You might also be interested in reading a book inspired by Neville's teachings called Faith to Fortune, by Yaron. The book is available on Amazon. You'll find the link below this video. As we continue on our individual journeys, let's honor the teachings of Neville Goddard and unleash the creative power within us. Embrace the vast potential of your imagination, for it holds the key to unlocking a reality beyond your wildest dreams. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Neville Goddard's wisdom. May you continue to cultivate your imagination, manifest your desires, and live a life of purpose, abundance, and joy. And always remember that you are a beautiful child of God and that you deserve only the best. Come back again soon to listen to more God Candy video and hopefully get inspired to live the life of your dreams.